Hey, how's everyone doing today? Well, we got an exciting new watch. It's been a while since the last video, but we got something exciting. The Oris Staghorn Restoration Limited Edition dive watch. Very exciting stuff here. Alright, there was the official certificate for the watch. We'll take a look at that later. Here we have a special green Oris box. You might be saying, hey, what happened to the black Oris box? But no, this is a special box. It is made using algae. I've got no idea how they did it, but let's take a look inside. There you got the medallion. Beautiful. And here we got the watch. Look at that deep blue with the orange accents. Really sharp looking. I like that they have the day on the dial and the date. It's a neat little ring configuration there. The watch is Aquis 2017 models. You know, they changed it around a little bit. You know, refined the watch so it wasn't as bulky as it was before. Slimmed down the case, worked on the horns a little bit, and with this color combination and this band, it looks really good. The watch has a deep blue face, a nice blue gradient, and that blue is to represent the deep blue ocean. Now if you're a diver, that's where you go, the deep blue ocean. And the orange is there because that's the last color you see the deeper you go. And also the orange is the color of the Staghorn coral. Now the Coral Restoration Foundation is the group that this watch, you know, partners with Oris in order to help fund them. And you can see it there on the wrist. The Coral Restoration is a great group. What they do is they farm out coral, and once they farm them and have them, then they start planting them in different ocean reef environments. And they work right now here in the Keys. It's a great group. And here you can see some of the farming going on there. Very, very cool. There's our logo, the Coral Restoration Foundation. And this is really cool. The coral reef is a really fragile environment. And what they're doing by basically farming it, or almost like planting it, it's a really cool process they developed and they use to help with the environment. There's a look at the two watches. The watch comes with a silicone band or the metal band. We're only reviewing the metal band today. Both of them are really nice. They both have kind of a different look. There's a picture of the watch again, and there it is with the case and the booklet. Each one comes certified like this. And here we go, looking at it. Great lume on it. I always like the Oris lume. It kind of got a blue hue to it instead of the greenish yellows of other watch companies. But it's just kind of cool. The thin lines might be harder to see than if they were little round dots. But very nice watch, very nice lume. And here's a final look at the watch. The blue and the orange with the black. Really striking watch. I like it. Real interesting face. You can see it there. Well, thanks everyone.